1123 Little Rock. We just recently acquired a property in the same area. It's very, very close to here. This is owner occupied, the owner's home. The front door looks great. Thank you. Yep. Okay, so right off. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Okay, so we have tiles throughout, and the walls look very good. Oh, was it?
They were stylish, gray. I collect NASCARs and diecast cars, so I got 400 of them in the cabinet.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. About 430 of them all over.
Was it just painted?
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Oh, got it. Okay, thank you. It looks great. And the ceilings are so high. The ceilings are so high.
Yeah, they are good. Yeah.
Okay. The ceilings really are high. So get some blinds in here. Counter and cabinets look fine. The doors look great. They feel freshly painted. They look freshly painted. So you have this bedroom right off of the front. They're still working on the property. I believe a couple of items are going to be done tomorrow. I'm just not sure exactly what items will be done. I'll ask the agent if you're interested. These are vinyl, so they need to be replaced. So it'll be 3 windows. Yes, sorry. Okay, that's 3 windows. Well, this is a very large master. Four. Five, 6. The fan looks great. Tile looks great. It's really nice that the concrete's already in place and we have the patio overhang because that is the side that gets the evening sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. I'm just counting windows.
Oh, yeah. They're all clean.
9. Yeah, everything looks really great.
Thank you. I worked all day yesterday.
Did you really? Oh.
Kathy ordered me to.
Oh.
I had them fairly clean, but not as clean as they could be.
Yeah.
So. But that tan looks nice, doesn't it? They just painted that yesterday.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's the house.